Good night, teacher. My name is Erika Mayerly Alarcón Maecha. Because he chose the company. Because it is a company that since the years on 1965 has emitted 43.35 billion tons of carbon dioxide. High caused environmental damage that harm the planet and is responsible for serious disasters that are irreparable because it causes widespread toxic contamination in the indigenous ancestral lands in the tropical rainforest of Ecuador. How does this company contribute to pollution in the world? Destroys farmers' livelihoods and carries the species gains of toxic water into tropical forests. It significantly makes an environmental, social, cultural, and human crime, leads to an increase in greenhouse gas emissions, pushing humanity and rights. What opinions and demands were expressed in the formal letter? And explained of the measures they are implementing to reduce the emission of CO2 gas which affects the planet's environment. Ecological solution of the problem of this company. The implementation of has technology that is balanced humanity into what humanity put into practice ancestral which helps to conserve and protect inject formation waters into the ground. How this expands the environment in a positive way because in allows caring for the environment generally sustainable development improves environmental dimension of gases and elements in the reflexive way which contributes to the improvement of global warming.